Discussion.
Hello. Good morning, everybody.
Hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello. Yeah. Today, very interesting concept. Just in a real time. Otherwise, interviewer asking what restricting the rows. I want this row. I want that row. How can I miss? Very easy. How much easy means today? Are understandable. Ronam alias name through we are writing one. But Ronam, how it is working means that experience question, that's all. But project side, you don't know Ronam how it is working, also not a problem. Why? Because Ronam alias name through inline views through a very easy way we are filtering the data. How can I miss? I will tell you. But before we are going to start this one, in a previous class, why Ronam is equal to 2 or 3 not working means in that case, so true condition side I am telling. Again, false condition side, observe it here. Yes. Now check it out. Yesterday, one table is there. What is the table? Select star from EMP1 is a table is there. In this table, I try to write in a false condition. Select star from EMP1, where row num is equal to 2. I am writing. Here, no rows selected. Okay, fine. Yes, 2 or 3 or 4. But how means maybe you are only telling. First step very easy. Second step, second phase onwards, you are only telling me. Why? Because that row num is incremented or not. Yesterday you have idea not. Whenever condition is true. Yesterday we are learning two things are happened. That what is that one? Whenever condition is true, then only row num is incremented. Whenever condition is true, which record is checking by the server, that record is written into result or not? Yes, very good. But false means what happened? You are only tell me. Suppose here, this is another example too. Don't write it, just observe it here. First, we are checking practically, then we are telling. Okay. Select star from EMP1. Here I am writing select star from EMP1 where row num is equal to 2, no row selected. But how means whenever you are writing about this row num query means, yes, internally pointer is there. That pointer points to where? First record first, second time second record, third time third record. Each and every record checking a true or false. Now what is that one? Phase 1, you are only tell me enough. Okay, phase 1. In a phase 1, first it will be fetching a what? A record. Fetching a record means top to bottom, not a random order. Here fetching a record. Observe here. The true or false also, next control goes to next record like this. Okay. Yes, you're fetching each and every record, checking in a way algorithm process. Fetching a record. Anybody not adding yesterday means easily observe it here. Fetching a record. Fetching a record means first record. First record which one? Smith and 800. It will be fetching a what? Server. Okay. Fetching means testing purpose. Okay, fine. Actually, pointer is there in a where? In a table. Okay, fine. Whenever first record fetching means row num is how much? Very good. Row num is 1 only. Row num is value automatically 1. Whenever one record is fetching, first record is fetching, automatically row num is 1. That is a default nature. This is step 1 I am writing yesterday. So now here, yes, already have an idea. But step 2. Second case onwards, you are only telling. First time, very easy. Now here, step 1 like this. Here, don't write it. Here, step 2. What is the step 2? Now here, check it out. Step 2. What is the step 2 means? Top to bottom. Now here, yes, here. Checking. No, don't write it here. Checking. Runtime values. Checking where condition. Whatever where condition you are writing the query, that is server is checking only. Which where condition you are writing here? Where row num is equal to 2 na? Yes, copy this one. And now here checking where condition. Here, how it will be checking means in a where condition means here, observe it here. This is a where clause, where row num is equal to 2. But unfortunately, slowly observe it here. Here only key concept is there. Just a minute, only 1 minute. And now check it out, checking where condition, where row num is equal to 2. Okay, fine. Now row num is equal to 2 means, hello, can you hear me? Now yes, here. Row num is equal to 2 means here, row num is how much? 1. 1 is equal to 2. True or false? Very good. Everyone telling a what? Here false. Okay, na? Yes, very good. 1 is equal to 2. How it is true? Okay, very good. False. Anything. Whenever condition is false, two things are happened. Observe it here. Two things are happened. Same like yesterday. True means two things are happened. Here also two things are happened. What is that one means? Whenever condition is false, then row num is never incremented. That is important. When condition is false, condition means where condition. When condition is false, now false, then row num is never incremented, never incremented means previous case how much is there? Row num 1 is there. Again row num is how much? 1 only. Okay, that is important. Row num is never incremented in this case. This row num number 1 is passed into where? Next phase only. Whenever condition is true, that pointer is points to where? That record, no? Yes, your first record, no? This record never written into where result. This record is rejected. Okay, fine. That's why when condition is true, then that record is okay, never written into a result. When condition is true, same thing. When opposite of the true, no? Yes, when condition is false in this case, and now here then that record means pointer points to that record does not written into result. Does not written into result. So now how much easy? Yes. Now next phase. What is the next phase? And now here tell me. And now here yes. Next phase is what? Phase 2. Every phase also we are checking. And now here phase 2 only. And now in this phase 2, don't write it. Here, check it out. Here step 1. Here step 1. Here only you are telling what this step is enough. And now here yes step 1. Fetching a record. Yes, you are very good. Fetching a record. Fetching a record means next record or not? Yes, here. In this next record, what is the record? LN 2000 I'm giving. Okay, now, but unfortunately, row num is how much here? Fast. Anybody? Row num is how much? Very good. So many fellows are telling correct. Here, 1, not a 2. Why? Because in a previous case phase, row num is never incremented because these are false only. That's why row num value is 1 is there. That one only passed into where here only. That is important. That's why whenever condition is true means row num is incremented. Whenever condition is false means row num is never incremented. That's why previous case whatever row num 1 is there, same thing is there or not? Very good. So many fellows are guessing. Correct. Very good. That one you have an idea means nothing is there. And now again it will be checking a what? Where condition. How it will be checking where condition? Where row num is equal to 2 or not? But row num is still 1. 1 is equal to 2 false. Whenever false means two things are happened. Yes, that row num is never incremented. Again, row num is 1. Okay, fine. And also that record is never written into a result. Okay, now very easy. Again, phase 3. Any number of phases also same thing only here. Now, phase 3. Okay, so now here, yes, observe here. Phase 3 only. In this phase 3, here step 1. Here step 1 like this. In this step 1 only, fetching a record. Fetching a Fetching a record, fetching a record. In this case, which one? Ward, ward here 3000, for example, maybe now here. But in this case also, row num is how much? Very good. Yes, one. And now previous case. And now here again, and now step 2, taking a where condition where row num is equal to 1 is equal to false only. False means then that record never written into a result, and also row num is never incremented. That's why in each and every phase row num is a 1. That's why each and every phase false condition. That's why no row selected or not. Very, 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 very easy. That's why this much of thing you are telling me is yes, interviewer satisfied only. Why? Because simple steps only on our runtime values are generated. Okay, na? Yes, write it example 2. Fastly write it this one. Example 2, right? It's an important concept I will. Fastly write it this one. Select star from EMP1, write it. This is a table. Here select star from EMP1 where row num is equal to 2. No rows select. Fastly write it this one. Is everyone knows. Yesterday true condition we are telling no. Here in a condition other than less than or equal to is equal to greater than anything. Greater than or equal to 1 was greater than this. Okay na? Execution write it. Execution process. Execution process. Execution process. Phase 1 right. In this case, row num is 1 right. Row num is 1. Right. Fetching a record, first record. Whenever we first record it will be fetching means by default row num is 1. Okay. Na? Next, checking where condition. Checking where condition. 1 is equal to 2 false. False means you have to write it like this. 2 where scenarios. When where condition is false means when condition is false, no? Yes. When condition is false. Then row num is never incremented. Never incremented means within the bracket that row num is equal to 1 only there still. Row num value 1. Okay. Next, when condition is false, then that record means which record is pointer points to that record. Then that record does not return into result. That record is rejected. Write it fastly, this one. Completed? Yes, very good. Next, phase 2, right? Phase 2. Phase 2, right? Fetching a record. Row number is equal to 1. Row number is never incremented, no? Yeah. Row number is 1 only. Checking where condition. Where row number is equal to 2. Same thing, no? Yeah. Again, fastly, right? Same. Row number is 1 is there or not? Check it out. Enough. When condition is false, then row number is never incremented. When condition is false, then that record means silent record. That record does not return into result. Discarded, no? Yeah. Next, last step, phase 3 also, right? Phase 3, fetching a record. What? Row number is equal to 1 because never incremented, no? Yeah. This is false condition, okay? Yeah. Write it fast. Complete a fast. Fastly write it. Okay, na? This is the way. That's why anybody asking what, do you have an idea why rho num is equal to 2, why rho num is equal to 5, why rho num is equal to something is not working other than is equal to 1 only. They're asking me is, you are telling what this algorithm. True condition side, yesterday we are telling false condition side like this only. That's why whenever condition is true, then only rho num is incremented, then only that record is written into result. Whenever condition is false, rho num is never incremented, then that record also discarded. Okay, that logic you have an idea, nothing is there or not? Yes, you're finished. Now very important. Actually, generalized way we are restricting the rows is important, but unfortunately, if you want to restrict the rows, filter the data, generalized way, easiest one is MySQL database. In a MySQL database, limit is a clause is there, very easy. Limit is a what? A very easy way. Limit clause through we are restricting the what rows. I want second row, I want fifth row, I want last 4 rows, I want first 3 rows, like this only. Again, SQL server also already I'm telling SQL server database means top is a what? A clause is very easy. Top is a clause is there, through that one filter the data. But unfortunately, Oracle side very difficult. Oracle side, what is the problem? Oracle side, one magic column they are giving, that is a row num column. But unfortunately, row num column is equal to 1 is working, but is equal to 2 is not working, is equal to 3 is not working. This is very difficult only. Why? Because row num values are runtime is generated. But nowadays, don't afraid only, same like a what? A MySQL, same like a SQL server. Oracle side also very easy way filtering the data by using a row num possible. How can I mean? Simple technique is there. What is that one means? Anybody having idea in a previous classes, inline views I'm telling or not? Yes, in a 7.2 onwards, inline views are there. Within a inline views, just we are creating a what? A row num alias name we are creating, alias name. Whenever row num alias name we are creating means that alias name internally behaves like a what? Exact table column. Already I'm telling or not? The table column we are using in a where condition, all operators are working, is equal to, less than, greater than, between, in, like, or any operators also working. That is the beauty of the where row num nowadays. That's why I want second row, I want fifth row, I want 10th row, I want occasion of here is second row to fifth rows. Occasion I want last 10 rows. Like this only, any type of query also. Yes, we are using now onwards, very easy. Row num alias name we are creating in a where inline views. That alias name internally behaves like a exact table column. Already we are telling annual salary. Some examples are not. Yes, here. That's why row num works with all SQL operator without knowing algorithm also. Why row num is equal to 2, 3 does not work. You don't know also. Very easy way we are retrieving the data now onwards. Very easy. Olden days minus operator through they are retrieving. That's difficult. But nowadays 7.2 onwards, just a simple technique. What is that one means? Concentrate. Very important. Very interesting. Anybody interviewer asking row num queries now onwards, whatever you are writing, that one you are telling only into interviewer. Why? Because interviewer always well-known persons. These all the queries. And now here, check it out. Select. Don't write it. I want for second row means how can I select star from EMP where row num is equal to 2 not working. Generally not working because runtime value space. But I want to work with this one means simple technique is there. Observe here, screen observe, screen observe. Just we are writing a what? Inline view. Inline view means select a star from. In place of so now table name, some subquery we are writing, that is called inline view or not. Within an inline view, just we are creating a what? A row num alias name. R, A, B, C, anything. Alias name we are creating for the pseudo column within an inline view possible. Whenever we are creating an alias name in a row num, that alias name internally behaves like a same like a normal column. Same like a normal column only. Now here, yes, comma, which columns you are interested, that one, e name, comma, salary, comma, anything also. And now here, yes, from EMP like this. And now here, check it out. Now we are using a what? Where, which one? R is equal to 2, working. There's a beauty of the where, yes, row num, onwards. Here, second row working or not? Yes, here. Algorithm is not working here. Okay, directly. Now here, yes, same like exact table column because from class is first executed. This table is there internally. Now here, R values. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, like this only. That alias name values directly we are using in a where class possible. That's why here suppose here R is greater than. Okay, so now here 2, more than 2. Yes, here possible. Again, or now here yes between. Now check it out. Any operator is also working. That's the beauty. Okay, 4 and okay, so now 9, 4 to 9 rows. Yes, possible or not? Yes, possible. Any type of data also we are retrieving. But how can I all rows? How it is working? What is that one? Those all the things I will tell you. First, write a note. Very important. This onwards, write a note. In Oracle 7.2 onwards. So don't worry. Okay. In Oracle, write it. In Oracle, whenever we are creating alias name for Ronam in inline views then that alias name works with all SQL operators. Then that alias name works with all SQL operators. Because in this case, alias name internally behaves like a table column. Exact table column. First query, write a query. Now onwards you are only writing all the queries. Write a query to display second row from EMP table by using Ronam alias name. Write a query to display second row from EMP table by using Ronam alias name. Write a query to display second row from EMP table by using Ronam alias name. How can I? Just we are using a what? Select a star from inline view. No? Now here yes. Here we are using a what? Select Ronam alias name R or A or anything. Whatever columns you want, that one only from table name. Then where that R is equal to 2 like this. This one write it. So many inter questions are there. I will tell you first write. This is a filtering the data restriction the most. First write. Completed, fast. Actually, these type of queries, so many fellows are practicing because these are entry questions. Filtering means some compulsory they're asking entry because really minimum knowledge is there in a database or not checked out purpose. In a word database also filtering in a queries also they're asking. So many fellows are in a net only these queries are there. They're practicing only. They're attending interview. But unfortunately, intelligent fellows in interviews asking only some questions in this one because really you are good at what subject or not check it out purpose. First they're checking. Good interviewer means. How they are asking me is observe here. Maybe you are telling me is great. Suppose I am attending interview, for example. Murli, write a query to display second row from EMP table. They are asking. I am writing a what? Rona Malia's name through. I'm writing. Very easy way. Okay, fine. But what interview you're asking only Murli? You are displaying a what? Rona Malia's name through second row, fifth row, seventh row, anything. Okay, so now correct only. But you are displaying the output is a what? Only two columns you are displaying. E-name, comma, salary only you are displaying. But so many columns are there. All the columns I want to display. I don't want to display 2 or 3 columns. All the columns I want only. They're asking. Whenever they're asking a what? All the columns. How can I display means? Yes, here. Now tell me anybody in our class? Anybody in our class telling me is great. First time. Very good. I am also, you are also thinking, oh, nothing is there. I want all the columns means just remove the what? E-name, salary, like this, whatever columns we are specifying in a where. Yes, where in a inline view, just remove it. Now all the columns place, just we are using a what? A star. So many fellows are thinking of what? Star means all columns first initial stage, I'm telling you not. Whenever anybody telling like that, immediately rejected, it won't work. Very, very important. So many fellows are star means all columns. That's why it is working only. They are thinking impossible. Now here, yes, here it will give us a what? Error. Here only so many fellows are mistaken. Here error is there. Why error? Star means all columns. Why error means another rule is there in a database. What the rule means? Whenever star means all columns, okay, I'm agree. But along with all columns, any other expressions we are using, any other expressions, row name, otherwise another column, any other column we are using means compulsory, not okay. So no, okay, don't write it only star only. Then we are using a what? Which table all columns you have to display. That table name dot we are using only. Very, very important. That's why in a books we are referring alias name dot something is there or not. Same like here. Just here table name dot we are using. Here in a database, same role. EMP dot star. That is most powerful. Maybe some experienced persons they are writing very good. Yes, but newcomer means be careful. EMP dot star automatically, yes. Automatically it will display what? All the columns are not. Very, 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 very important. If you want to display all columns in the above query, then we must use table name dot star. Okay, na? Yes, here. That data is available in where? This all the data is available in where? Some resultant table only. From this data, how can I display? Also, I will tell you. And now here, very, 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 very important. Write it. Very good. Some fellows are telling, write a note. Only star means it won't work. Write a note. If you want to display, if you want to display all columns, in the above query, then we must use table name dot star within inline view. Within inline view. Within inline view. Okay, write it example. Fastly write it. Table name dot star, not a only star. Expressions are there means compulsory table name dot star. Completed fast. Completed this one. Now slowly observe it here. Finished. Completed. Now slowly observe it. Very interesting. So many things are there here. So many fellows doesn't know. First time observe it here. Suppose But unfortunately, any real-time queries, these type of queries are there. Okay, so no restriction. Not a okay EMP table, any table. Now, in that case, so many fellows are using a what alias name. Alias name dot star only there. Don't afraid that one alias name dot star. Why? Because compared to a table name in a project side, table alias name we are using means performance is very high. That's why now here yes e dot star like this only they are using. Now alias name through they are using, creating a what alias name for the table, and alias name dot star they are using regularly. But unfortunately, you are outside person. Yes, here you are not working still. That's why performance, those type of things are not required. That's why I am telling in our classes easiness purpose or table name dot star is enough. Okay, with using alias name, without using alias name outside same output or not. Yes, you're okay. That's why table name dot star I'm giving. But unfortunately, interviewer asking, okay, I am writing a what? Yes, here I want to display all the columns they're asking me. So I am writing a query like this. Then immediately interviewer asking, Murli, you are telling a what? Yes, this query only. Okay, fine. All the columns are displayed. But I don't want to display this R only. How can I? This R2, I don't want to display in my project report. How can I? They're asking. Now here, anybody tell me? Otherwise, here, particular columns only I want to display here. Particular columns only I want to display here. How can I? They're asking only. How can I? R I don't want to display. Particular columns only I want to display. How can I? Easy. Tell me. Think logically. I don't want to display R. I want to display all columns, otherwise particular columns. How can I? That easy. Anybody? Delete or visit would work. Okay. Easy. Think logically. Very good. Yes, here nobody telling, but very easy. Observe here. How much easy. Actually, how queries are executed within a from clause onwards executed. That's why this data is a result set data. The same like a table only. Here the data is there. Here the data is there, or some other columns. Those all columns are available. Now, observe it here. Now observe it here. I want to display which columns are there. Those columns you have to specify in a main query. Simple. From this table data, from this table, result set table, whatever columns you want to display, that columns we are using in a main. Select star from this is a table. Same like a table only. From this table, any columns also we are displaying or not? Yes, here. There is a beauty. That's why select star means just practice purpose they are giving. But interviewer asking means you are only logic you are telling only. Suppose I don't want armies, or you are not allowed to display main query. You are displaying a what? E-name you are displaying, salary you are displaying, department number you are displaying, anything possible. Why? Because here this is okay, your query columns only, but this is behaves like a table. From this table, because in this table all the columns we are using and less number of columns we are displaying, possible or not? Yes, possible. And now here check it out. Yes, that is the beauty. That's why query writing is most powerful. And now here that is your own wish. Write it. Example, if you want to display particular columns from that result, okay na? Yeah. Suppose select row num R comma E name from EMP in a inline view, then you try to display what E name comma salary department number, it won't work. Why? Because here whatever columns are there, that column behaves like a table. From that column, yes, less number of columns we are using only. Okay na? Yeah. Another example. That's why different variations. Fastly writing. Write it another query. Queries practice purpose, fastly write it. Those all queries you have an idea. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display rows between. Write a query to display rows between 4 to 9 from EMP table by using row num alias name. Write a query to display the rows between 4 to 9 from EMP table by using row num alias name. One model, write it enough. How can I? Fast. Now select which one? A star, better, easiness, purpose, later anything changing. Select star from here. Create a what? Alias name for row num. Okay, fine. In a R or A or anything. Here table name star. Otherwise, your columns, anything, your own wish. Now here also you taking columns. That one also taking columns, your own wish. Okay. Yes. E name come a salary from EMP. Now tell me, now here very good. Here only, here we are using a what? Where clause? No, where alias name or between possible or less than, greater than or equal to possible or not, between 4 and lowest values to highest value or not, 9. Yes, possible or not? Now check it out. I try to use copy this one. Yes, format your own wish. Now here check it out automatically. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there or not? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Simple. Now here, write it. Fastly write it. Output don't write it. Okay, so just the idea part. Very good. So many people are. Now write another query fast. These are queries. These are all compulsory. You are learning only because interview are asking pressure levels also nowadays. Write a query. Write a query to display. To display second comma, third comma, fifth comma, seventh comma, ninth rows. Ninth rows from EMP table by using row num alias name. Faster write it. Write a query to display second comma, third comma, fifth comma, seventh comma, ninth rows from EMP table by using row num alias name. Any type of rows also. Write a query to display second comma, third comma, fifth comma, seventh comma, ninth rows from EMP table by using row num alias name. Nobody mistaken this one. Very easy. Simple. Whatever records are there in a table, second row I want, third row I want, fifth row I want, anything with that easy. Nobody mistaken. Fast. Very good. Two fellows are writing correct. Arvind and another fellow is 40 writing. Very good. And now here, yes, nothing is there. That these are all the things. First initial stage, anybody not practicing a normal queries means that purpose only this one. Otherwise, fraction of second. Where or now, which operator? Either or in is there or not? Very good. In is better, no? Yes, in. Second comma, third comma, fifth comma, ninth. What is the query? Second, third, fifth, seventh, ninth. Seventh, ninth. Now here 7 comma 9. Simple. Now here those all the rows it will be taken. How much easy? Now here. Table name dot star means all the details. Otherwise, here like this 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 are also I'm displaying. Why? Because I want to view this one. Write it. How much easy? Either in operator, either or operator, single columns, multiple values. Okay, na? Simple. R, not a row num. Here R, alias name. Again, row num you're writing means it won't work. Here, this alias name behaves like a same like a normal table column. Row num is again algorithm behavior. That is a problem. Okay, na? This is inline view. Finished. Now so many queries are there, but today at least important query or now here you are writing first record and last record and also even number, odd number, those all the things only. And now write it fast. That is also very easy. Enter question, this one also. Write a query. This enter question, put a star. Write a query. Write a query to display. First row. First row, comma, last row. Last row, last row. First row, okay, but last row. First row, comma, last row from EMP table. So many people are asking this query. Write a query to display first row, comma, last row from EMP table by using row num alias name. Write a query to display first row, comma, last row from EMP table by using row num alias name. Fastly write it. First row, okay, but last row, correctly write it last row. Maybe 100th row, maybe 1000th row, anything. Last row. Generalized way already, maybe you have an idea previous classes, that's why. Very good. So many fellows writing correct. Actually, first row means okay, but last row means 14 okay, but maybe in my table 14, maybe 100th row, maybe 1000, maybe 10,000 is there. That's why count star or max of row num you are using or not, check it out purpose. Count star is a better option. Okay, na? Yes, here. And now very good. Yes, so many fellows are writing. How can I? Just the same query. I'm copying only. And now here where r. And now here r is equal to 1. R operator is there or not? R is equal to 14 is working, but unfortunately 14 better to work. So better to avoid. Why? Because a generalized way interviewer asking. That's why here in place of 14, I am writing a what? Select which one? Count star minus 1 or count star? Very good, count star only because that's 14. No? And now count star from 30th row is count star minus 1 like this. Count star from EMP. And now how much is it? Very good. And now here check it out here like this. Write it. Very good. So many fellows are writing a generalized way. That is correct. Put a star this one. In a future, provide it through also we are ready. Okay, na? But unfortunately, anybody attending interview, so many fellows are asking. I want to display even number of records they are asking. I want to display Yes, odd number of records they're asking. Most powerful entry question, but that is dead easy by using a what? Row num alias name. In a feature, decode through, row ID through, row num through, combination is there. But here, this is the best way, very easiest query. Write it. Put a star, very important. You are only writing, I am not telling. Write a query. Write a query to display even number of records, from EMP table by using row num alias name. Enjoy. Even number of records, even number, odd number, you have an idea. Maybe childhood onwards, you are good at mathematics, means any number divided by 2. If remainder is a 0, then even number or not. That logic you are writing a what in this query. But this is not a Java, this is not a .NET, this is not a C++ language. But how you are find out a remainder means you are only identifying. I don't know. So now here maybe in a previous classes you are attending means then you are remembering. I think recollect. Any number divided by 2, if remainder is a 0, then even number, logic okay, but how you are writing, that is important. Very good. In a where any number divided by 2, then okay, remainder is a 0, then even number okay. But in our class, so many Java developers are there, maybe that's why those persons are writing or percentage 2, they are writing only. And now that is the wrong side. Why? Because percentage symbol to find out a remainder purpose, they are not giving a Oracle. In a PLSQL, percentage symbol is there, that is different purpose. That's why SQL said percentage symbol is not there. If you want to find out a what, yes, here, tell me, reminder means number functions are there. Number functions, character functions, date functions, first initial stage, I'm telling you, no. In that case, what is the function name? Mod, very good. Mod is a syntax you are familiar, and now you are writing very easily. That's why whenever anybody asking mod in a future decode, I will tell you that one. Yes, anybody interviewer ask me, don't mistake, because these are regularly used functions. Now here mod, what is the syntax of mod? M mod n or n mod m? Very good. Both the things are wrong answers. Mod of m comma n. Otherwise mod of a comma b. Mod of x comma y. Yes, that is the syntax or not? M comma n, like this only. Yes, it will give reminder after m divided by n. Already I'm telling or not? Yes, yeah. Anybody remembering? Number functions, this one only. Mod m comma n is a syntax. Okay, mod m comma n is a syntax to find out a what? A reminder, everyone knows, but unfortunately so many fellows are having a what? Doubt only. Murli sir, you are telling a mod function, okay, fine, to find out a reminder in a Oracle. But where I want to use a what? That mod function in this big query. Now here, suppose here, now check it out. This is a query is there. In this query, which place I want to use, here or here or here, or so many fellows are confusing. But don't worry, very easy only, because whenever any number divided by 2, if remainder is 0 means is equal to 0. That's why any relational operators are using means that function we are using in a where? We are using in a where class. Simple. That's why first initial class slowly why we are telling means that is a key concept actually. Those concept, basic concept you have an idea, then anything also you are writing very easy way. Those concepts anybody not concentrating is confusing where they are using what is that one or anything only. That's why first classes are very important. Operators are used in a select statement, functions are used in very slowly. I'm telling you, no, that's why that purpose. Very good. So many fellows are writing. How can I? Yes, select star from in a format like this. Where now here, where can we use a what number functions in a where class? Possible. Mod of r comma 2. Some fellows are double equal to, triple equal to, they're writing no, single equal to only. Double equal to means Java. Okay, so okay. Single equal to 0. So now here then automatically, yes, even number of records. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14 is there or not? Even number of records. Some fellows are in 2, 4, 6, 8, they are writing. Suppose 1 lakh records are there. How you are writing about all the things? Impossible. That's why better to use a what? Logical concepts. And now here, now again, odd number of records means in place of 0, we are using a what? 1. Observe here. Yes, here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 is there or not? Yes, simple. How much easy? That's why anybody you're asking about these questions means anybody mistaken means nobody interested to select that candidate. That much of powerful. Very easy filtering. Write it fast. That easy. Very good. So many fellows are writing. Correct. That's why filtering practice is important, because filtering the rows into your RC. Output not required to write, just visibility purpose I am telling. Any format, any way you are right. Okay, now first these rows it will be taking, then mod function one by value, it will be remainder, it will be okay. Okay, now you have to check it out. Okay, up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow, don't miss the class. Why? Because this extension, some other queries, and same like a row num, analytical functions are there, row underscore number, rank, dense rank, these things only, most powerful, very important concept only. Tomorrow I will tell you those things. Tomorrow we'll continue.